Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. We're about 100 subscribers away from a giveaway. If you do want a chance to win some ColourPop Cosmetics stuff, I don't know exactly what I'm giving away yet, then subscribe. I'll do a video on all of that when the time comes. Anyway, I wanted to do this video to hopefully save a life today. If you guys have been subscribed for a while, then you've probably seen me do some of the L'Oreal Colorista temporary hair color things. They're like semi-permanent hair colors, so they're supposed to wash out within like 8 shampoos or something like that. It's been a while since I've done one. This video is long overdue. Oh, by the way, I'm holding my camera because I can't find my tripod, so that's why I'm like awkwardly standing and moving around like this. So sorry about that. I used to do those videos all the time. I tried red, burgundy, teal, pink, a lighter blue color. I used to have all dark hair. Now my ends are pretty light. It doesn't really show on camera, but I do have some like random little blonde areas in my hair. So that's when I started to test out the colors that were made for blonde hair. Originally I was just doing the ones for darker hair. So I believe that the last one that I did was the light blue one, and I think there's more than one, but I'll link all of the videos below so that you can see and know what I'm talking about. That blue one stayed in my hair for months, and it didn't stay a pretty blue color. It never even really turned to the color that it was supposed to. I mean, it was kind of blue. You can see in the video if you want. It just didn't look that great, and I was like, okay, well maybe it's just because of my hair color, you know, it's not like super blonde in those areas. I used it in this one highlighted part right here and, you know, throughout some of my hair. So it looked okay. It was kind of blue, but it wasn't like all that great. I mean, obviously I did want it to be more blue, but it wasn't a big deal to me because I know that my hair is not super blonde. Fast forward to like 1 or 2 shampoos later, it started to turn green. And I'm not a fan of green hair for myself. Some people can rock it, but this didn't look intentionally green. It looked like when blonde people go in the chlorine too much and it like turns that weird color green and they have to use ketchup on their hair and stuff. My hair turned that way. And I was trying clarifying shampoo. I was trying, I don't even know. I tried so many different things. I was so frustrated because I was going to Thailand and it wasn't coming out. And I really wanted my hair to just be back to my natural, the way that I have it like this. And I was pretty sad because I was destroying my hair by trying to get it to wash out. Even now sometimes I still see a little bit of that greenish tint to it, and I'm just like, I know that most people probably can't see it, but just knowing that it's there really bothers me because I don't want to kill my hair. If you know me, you know that I love having very long hair, and you can't have very long hair if you're constantly killing it with chemicals and stuff. So I would say that it took about a month and a half, 2 months to get it to where the green wasn't very noticeable in my hair, which sucked a lot. And I love doing reviews on those products because I think it's so fun to have something that you can temporarily dye your hair with and it'll stay for a few days at least, you know, just to like test out a color, see how you like it. I really do like some of the products, but now that that happened, I'm really afraid to try them again, especially the bluer ones. I've heard that some people have had problems with the teal color too, but that one just didn't do anything to my hair except maybe make it look darker. I tried it on my boyfriend before. If you guys know Grayson, you might have seen that on his channel, and his hair did stay a little bit green for a while, but it didn't stay the way that mine did. Every once in a while though, he feels like he can see some in it, but it doesn't look very noticeable, and it probably already grew out and he chopped it off. Just proceed with caution if you use those products. I just want to warn you. It didn't completely destroy my hair in the way that, you know, it didn't like fall off or anything like that. I did lose some hair in the process of trying to get it out, and if you can see, my split ends are not the greatest right now. If you do want to test out those colors, what I did at first with the darker colors was chop off a tiny little piece of my hair and then test it on that. And that's how I was able to kind of see like how my hair reacted to it, if the color showed, anything like that. So yeah, just be careful. Don't ruin your hair over something that's temporary and supposed to wash out within a week or 2 anyway. It's not worth it. There's probably some products out there that do what they're supposed to do and also don't stain your hair after. I just wanted to let you guys know my experience because I was doing a lot of videos on those colors and I did like most of them. But yeah, I don't want to like tell you guys that something's awesome and then not update you if something bad happens. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful to you at all, if it possibly saved your hair's life. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!